Greetings, warriors. It's Joshua Missouri, Director of Military and Veteran Services. I want to show you the new way to submit your request for tuition assistance and how you can also submit your request for the Military Advantage Program, even if you're not using tuition assistance. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and log into Warrior Web. And in Warrior Web, you'll navigate to the categories blocks on the left side and find Military and Veteran Services. In finding that, you will navigate to the Army Ignited Enrollment Request tab. In this tab, even if you've used 2EA before at Texas A&M University Central Texas, you will find that the form is different. So here's what we're going to do. Please enter all your information and read the student acknowledgments. They are a little different, so please make sure that you've paid attention to it if you've used the benefits here before. For students who want to use the Military Advantage Program who are not using TA, you'll need to make sure that you've read Step 3 thoroughly and provided all the required documents to the university. Beneath Step 3, you'll find an area to upload your documents. What we'll need is the tuition assistance request form. That will be there. In Step 4, you'll find an area to upload your documents. Please upload your tuition assistance request form here, and if you're not using the tuition assistance program, be sure to upload a copy of your orders so that we have that in our system and there won't be any confusion about using the Military Advantage Grant. Then you'll select Next, and that will put you into our normal workflow, and we will process you between 7 and 10 processing days. We look forward to seeing you here on campus, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Military and Veteran Services Office.